Okay, we're recording a Total Gym unboxing. I got the $200 refurbished Total Gym. It came in this box, so there's next to no box damage. You can see just a little bit there. And then if you see it in the package, it looks totally brand new, even though it's supposedly refurbished. Now, my claim is that there was a recall on the Total Gym XL, and it looks to be exactly the same as this Total Gym Elite Pro, except that the board, the actual board is different. Okay, so my guess is that for the recall, they just maybe just put new boards on the previous. Anyway, I'm not seeing any reason to think this thing has been used. It looks like it's completely new. So you can see everything's nicely packaged up. I'm not seeing any damage, nothing. It looks completely unused. So for $200, okay, the $200 Elite Plus, it's got metal brackets here, so that's good. I'll be able to put resistance bands on that. This is the Pilates board. Now you're supposed to, if you want an actual squat stand, they want you to pay another $100. So what I did was I went to the DIY store. I got 2-inch board by 10 inches by 3 feet, and that cost me $4. And so I cut it in half. So this will be my squat board. Okay, it's not perfectly in half, but not against the law. And so then I got 4 ratchet straps for $7. So it's, I don't know, it's about maybe $15 total. Closer to $13 instead of the $100 that they want. So I'm just gonna, and then I have another metal rod that I'll put down here to support, and I'll ratchet it horizontally and vertically, and we'll see how that works. And then this is the attachment for the crunch, the ab crunch. You have to assemble that. So far everything looks very promising here. Just wanted to capture the actual packaging for this. I got this on eBay. So for $200, I'd say so far it looks like a very good deal, because I was expecting is it going to be all beat up, Is it going to be totally used or whatever? So maybe I just got lucky. I don't know. So I'll get back to you once I get it assembled. It's pre-assembled. You just have to unfold it. And I got some leather gloves for $5 just to make sure I don't damage my fingers unfolding it. And then I'll get the squat stand on, and I also have to sand it. I'm going to put on new wheels on I got the The Harbor Freight wheels are plastic injection molding, and they break really easily. So these cost like $60, I think. So they're obviously not cheap, but they do not break. They have bearings. They're like super high precision engineering. And the guy who made them, he also recommends you take the sliding board off every time you fold it up, because that way you don't damage the wheels, they don't get pinched, and you can see your fingers so you don't damage your fingers. So we'll see what happens. I got a exercise program from Mike, who has a sliding board channel. Oh, and I also ordered the resistance bands directly from China. I got those on AliExpress, so they're like half price. The latex resistance bands. So I'll use those for like the squats and pretty much everything else. So I'll wait for those to arrive, but it should be good enough to start out. Okay. This Elite, it's a smaller board, but also got some silicone grease and some sandpaper for the rails to make sure the rails are smooth. But this looks like it's brand new, so probably won't even have to sand it down or anything. And so that's pretty much it. Thanks.